Hello, my name is Lyana. I'm the Project Engineer Intern in Verdant Solar. Yes, I really enjoy working in Verdant, and the three words that I can describe Verdant are cheerful, ambitious, and also helpful. I can say the working experience here is very good and very supportive, as the permanents and the seniors here are very supportive, and they don't treat interns as interns, in which they will trust us in doing so many works as what the permanents do, and thus we will gain more experience as what the employers here are working. The things that I have learned and accomplished here are mostly on the administration of the project engineer, being the project engineer, how to deal with clients, how to deal with the contractors, how to deal with the subcons and everything, and also doing some of the minor technical problems that the client are dealing with. Yes, I do recommend talents to work here in Verdant as interns, because I can say that they give us a great experience and a very great hands-on, as they trust us with what we are doing to deal with the clients and everyone else.